we will read about addition of rational numbers. Okay, so the case 1 is when denominators are equal. So when denominators are same, then we need to keep the denominators same and we need to add the numerators. Okay, then thus we can add two rational numbers. Okay, so suppose having same denominator. So if 4 by 15 plus 8 by 15, we know that the LCM of 15 and 15 is ultimately 15. So 15 and the numerator should be 4. 4 into 1 means 4 plus 8 into 1 means 8. So 8 plus 4, 12 by 15 will be the answer. So 12 by 15 is almost equals to 4 by 5. Isn't it? 12 by 15 is equals to 4 by 5. Because the 12 and 15 both have a common divisor 3, right? So 12 by 15 is 4 by 5. So in the same way, if we compare minus 4 by 15 and 8, so if we add minus 4 by 15 and 8 by minus 15, then also minus 4 by 15 plus 8 by minus 15 means minus 8 by 15, right? So 4 by 15 plus minus 8 by 15. So the LCM of 15 is and 15 is 15, and in the numerator minus 4 into 1 means minus 4 plus minus 8 into 1 means minus 8. So minus 4 minus 8 means minus 12 by 15, and it will be ultimately equals to minus 4 by 5 because 12 and 15 both have a common divisor 3. Clear? So in case of case 2 when denominators are unequal, so if we consider two rational numbers minus 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, their denominators are not equal, is not it? So at first we need to, in this case we need to take the LCM of the denominators. So that LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, is not it? So now we need to make the denominators of the both rational numbers equals to the LCM. So if we multiply 3 by 4, then it will become 12, is not it? And for equalization we need to multiply the numerators also by the same number. So if we multiply 3 with 4, then 3 by 4, then we need to also multiply the numerator with the same factor, that means 4. So minus 2 into 4 by 3 into 4, is not it? And here also in case of 3 by 4, if we want to make the denominator equals to the LCM, so we need to multiply 4 by 3, is not it? So and in the same way we need to multiply the numerators with the same factor, that means by 3. So 3 into 3 by 4 into 3, that means it will become ultimately minus 8 by 12 and 9 by 12, is not it? Now that means now the denominators are equal, so we need to put the denominator 12 and minus 8 12 into, and we need to add that means the numerators here now, is not it? Because the denominators are equal now, is not it? So now we need to put the same denominator and we need to add the numerators. So minus 8 plus 9, so minus 8 plus 9 is 1, and the denominator is 12, so 1 by 12 will be the answer. Clear? So now if we consider another example, 11 by 18 and 7 by minus 27. So 7 by minus 27 means ultimately minus 7 by 27, we know that. So the LCM of 18 and 27 is 54, is not it? So now we need to multiply 18 by 3, and as well as we need to multiply 11 by 3. So 11 into 3 by 18 into 3 is 54, 33 by 54, and in the same way 27 into 2 is 54, and minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. So now we need to put the denominator 54 and we need to add the numerators. So 33 plus minus 14 means 19. So 19 by 54 will be the answer. Clear? So subtraction of rational numbers. Case 1, when denominators are equal. So when denominators are equal, we need to put the same denominator, and in case of numerator, the numerator of the first one minus numerator of the second one. So in case of 5 by 7 minus 4 by 7, the answer will be 5 minus 4 by 7, that means 1 by 7. Now in general, for any two rational numbers, suppose a by b and c by d, if in case of a by b minus c by d, we can write a by b plus minus c by d, is not it? And minus c by d is the additive inverse of c by d, so we can write it like a by b plus additive inverse of c by d, right? So now if we try to solve 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5, we can solve it in this way. Suppose 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5 means plus additive inverse of minus 2 by 5 by 2 by 2 plus 2 by 5. So we know that minus 2 by 5 is the additive inverse of 2 by 5, right? So we can write like that 3 by 4 plus additive inverse of 2 by 5. So 3 by 4 plus additive inverse of 2 by 5 means minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5. So now we need to equalize the denominators. So to make the denominators equal, we need to take its LCM, their LCM. So for LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So now we need to multiply the denominators with a factor such that it will become equals to the LCM, is not it? So now if we multiply 4 by 5, then it will become 20, and if we we need to multiply the numerators with the same factor. So 3 into 5 by 4 into 5 plus, and 5 if we multiply 5 with by 4, then 5 into 4 is 20, and we need to multiply minus 2 with also 4. So minus 2 into 4, is not it? So 15 by 20 plus 4 into minus 2 means minus 8 by 20. So now the denominators are equal, so we need to put the same denominator, and in case of numerator we need to add the two numerators, is not it? Because it is now addition, is not it? So in case of addition we need to add these two numerators. So 15 plus minus 8, that means ultimately 15 minus 8 by 20, that means 7 by 20. In another way we can solve it like 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we need to multiply 4 with by 5, and we need to multiply 3 with 5. So 3 into 5 by 4 into 5 means 15 by 20, and 2 and minus 2 by 5. So the to make the denominator equals to the LCM, we need to multiply 5 with 4. So 5 into 4, and we need to multiply the numerator also with the same term. So 2 into 4. So 15 by 20 minus 8 by 20. Now the denominators are equal, so we need to put the same denominator, and in case of numerator we need to in case of numerators, the numerator of the first one minus numerator of the second one. So 15 minus 8 by 20, that means 7 by 20 will be the answer. Okay, suppose the sum of two rational numbers, example 9, the sum of two rational numbers is minus 4. If one of them is minus 13 by 25, find the other. So what we need to do, we know that the sum is minus 4. If one of them is minus 13 by 25, so if we that means now subtract the rational number from the sum, then we will get the second rational number, is not it? So minus 4 minus 13 minus 13 by 25 will be the second rational number. So minus 4 minus of minus 13 by 25. So minus of minus 13 by 25 means plus 13 by 25 ultimately, is not it? So minus 4 plus 13 by 25. So here minus 4 is equals to minus 4 by 1, we know that. So LCM of 1 and 25 is 25. So we need to multiply the denominator 1 with 25. So 1 into 25, and the numerator is minus 4. So we need to multiply the numerator also with the same term. So minus 4 into 25 by 25 plus 13 by 25. So minus 4 into 25 is minus 100 by 25 plus 13 by 25. So ultimately it will become minus 87 by 25. So this is the second rational number. Clear?